Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to utilize two menus on your mobile menu in WordPress Blocksy. Okay, we're here on our website. First things first, we're gonna go and hover over our toolbar here and click on Customize, which will bring us to the WordPress Customizer. Okay, now, while we're in our Customizer here, on the left sidebar, we have our desktop preview, our tablet preview, and our smartphone or mobile preview. Let's click on that, and you can see that the changes in the shape and layout and everything were on our mobile mode for sure. We can click on our trigger here, our toggle here, and you can see we have our logo, our search bar, our address, our social media icons, and our menu over here. Let's go ahead and configure this by clicking on Header, and you can see we have our options here. Now, all you have to do is find Mobile Menu 2 and drag and drop that over here, right? And we now have a second menu over here, right? Let's move the search box over here outside, and it should appear below here, right? And let's configure menu 2 by clicking on this. And you can see we have our design and our drop-down icons. If we have those here, we can change the vertical spacing of mobile menu 2. And you can see which one is mobile menu 1. And to change which items are here, we have our account menu, right? Customer login. Let's make this a bit smaller, right? We have our customer login, dealer login, addresses, payment methods, and that's one way of utilizing this, right? So we can close this, and how do we do this? All right, we can close that, and we're here on our site, and let's click on menu, and we have our login options, and we have our normal menu here. But one other way we can utilize our two menus to maximize our screen space here is we can put this underneath here, okay, outside of our off canvas area, and you can see we have our menu 2 here and our stuff, and it's a bit less. And if we click on exit, you can see our menu 1 is down here. So we can have our website all together here, right? And we can have our shortcuts, or, our menu access shortcuts over here. And if we click on our menu, our off-canvas area, that is our mobile menu, our hamburger menu, it takes us here, and we have separate buttons here, rather than having to create a widget area and inserting a bunch of individual buttons. So that's one way to maximize the use of our two mobile menus. So let's click on Publish and see the changes in our website. Now, we can't really view it from here, so if you were on your phone, you could open up your website on your phone and check it. One way we can do this is to press Control or like Alt F12 or Control F12. Or just press F12. Oops. And it takes us to our console here, and we have a toggle here, Control-Shift-M, and it enables or disables our mobile view. And you can see our site is now published. We can click on our menu here, right? Oops. Let's reload the site. And you can see we have our menu over here on our main site, and we have our secondary menu here on our off-canvas area. So there's how you use two menus on Blocksy Mobile. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.